Live in modern elegance at 3600 Barham Boulevard, Los Angeles. A student home designed to blend luxurious hues, staycation vibes, and an unforgettable university experience in the City of Angels. These cozy en-suites and spacious non-en-suites are fully furnished for comfort. Your modern kitchen is equipped with a fridge, microwave, oven, stove, and dishwasher for hassle-free living, plus a TV for endless entertainment. Forget utility hassles, water, gas, electricity, and reliable Wi-Fi are all included in your rent. Break a sweat in the gym to distress after school. Recover from a long day of studying in the outdoor yoga space. Round up friends for a game on the basketball court, and get competitive on the volleyball court for unmatched fun. Campus access is seamless with American Film Institute Conservatory and Emerson College Los Angeles Center, just minutes away by car. Nearby buses on Cahuenga Barham and Cahuenga Oakshire, along with local subways, make city travel smooth and speedy. Don't miss out on the student chapter of your dreams. Come to 3600 Barham Boulevard, Los Angeles, today via amberstudent.com.